All of you switch on the video. Okay, we are discussing about series creation with scalar value, isn't it? That is only one value is there, but so many indices are there. So we have to use that single value for all indexes. Okay. So we will write pd dot series within bracket, write the single value, single data value, comma, index equal to, within bracket, write the index values. If it is integer or if it is character, write the corresponding integer value that is in the question. Okay. So the next one is write the heading, creating a series with index of string type. Creating a series with index of string type. Creating a series with index of string type. Index of string type. That means instead of single integer value, here we are using single string value. So the previous session, we are creating a series with s1 dot, s1 is equal to pd dot series, pd dot series within bracket 55, then index equal to within bracket I will write 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then is it square bracket or common round bracket? Here. Anyone? Which bracket is used here for representing index?
Square bracket.
Correct, square bracket. This is the statement for creating a series with a single integer value. Okay, with single integer value. That is, our output is just like this 0, 1, 2, 3, and all the data values are 55. This is the series creation using constant value or scalar value. Instead of this 55, I want to write one string value. That is our next topic. Instead of 55, I want to write one string value. So I want to display hello A. One second. This hello A, then no, this A hello, B hello, C hello, hello, hi. What is the D type of this series, Amal? What is the D type?
Object.
It is object. Correct, correct. It is object. Because we are using the data type for string, it is object. Okay. This D type representation is important. So not that object representation, D type representation. If it is string, we will write object. If it is integer, we will write int 64. If it is float, we will write float 64. Okay. So I want to display the output like this. A, B, C, D. And all the data values are high. How we will represent this? S1 is equal to Meenakshi, how will write this statement?
S1 is equal to
S1 is equal to PD dot
series
series
brackets in quotes write high
I. Okay,
comma
comma, index
square brackets
within square bracket.
A B C D
How we can write A?
in quotes.
Yes, correct. A, B, C, D is there. Close the square bracket and also round bracket. This is a statement for displaying this output. That is, I want to display high 4 times. We have 4 index values A, B, C, D, but only one string value is there. So I will write the string value here. Instead of a constant value 55, I write string value here, and index value, it is A, B, C, D. So I will just write the A, B, C, D within single quotes. If it is 1, 2, 3, there is no need of writing single quotes, just write 1, 2, 3, 4. If the index values are 1, 2, 3, 4, just write the index values here. Okay, so this is creation of series using string type. If you are using string type, this is constant or scalar values. If you are using constant or scalar value, just write the value here, then write the index. It is almost same. The difference is that here we are not using single quotes. Here we are using single quotes because it is string. Okay, that is the difference. Is it clear, Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write another question. Create a series using string to display output like to display output like Hadi, switch on the video. A new student. Okay. Your first time in my class, isn't it, Hadi?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Nothing. Okay. Okay, okay. Today onwards, you are in regular.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the program to display. Sonia, welcome to TCS. Surya, welcome to TCS. Agil, welcome to TCS. Rahul, welcome to TCS. Write the program. After that, I will explain for you, Hadi. So which one are the index values here? Ashish? Which are the index values here?
Sonia, Surya, Akhil,
And
Rahul.
Rahul. Correct, correct. Sonia, Surya, Agil, and Rahul are the index values. Anthony, which are the data values?
Welcome to
TCS. Okay. Welcome to TCS is the data value. And the index values are Sonia, Surya, Agil, and Rahul. Okay. Adi, our topic is series creation. Okay. You have your IP textbook with you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. You just check the topics. Okay. If any doubt, you call me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashish completed? Elvina, read the statements.
Import pandas as PD.
Import pandas as PD.
S equal to PD dot series.
S is equal to PD dot series
Bracket.
within bracket.
Welcome to TCS, comma.
Welcome to TCS within single quotes. Okay. It's a string, so it is represented using single quotes. Welcome, there is one space, so write the space, then two space TCS, then close the single quotes, then
Index, comma, index equal to square
index equal to, all the indexes are represented using square bracket. So index is equal to within square bracket,
quotes Sonia, Surya,
Sonia, close the quotes, then Surya,
Agil, comma, Rahul.
Akhil, Rahul.
Close the square bracket and
Close the square bracket and open bracket, then
print
print.
S.
Okay, good. So this is the statement for displaying that output. That is Sonia, welcome to TCS, Surya, welcome to TCS, Agil, welcome to TCS, and Rahul, welcome to TCS. For that, first we will write Hadi, listen carefully. The first statement for all series creation, it is the first statement is same. The statement it is import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. After that, we are creating a series. The series name it is S. We can give S here or S1 here, S2 here or SC here. Any name we can give here. Here we are giving S. So S is equal to PD dot. It is common for all series creation. PD dot series. It is common for all series creation. So PD dot series. Within round bracket, we have to write the content. Here we are using round bracket. We close this round bracket here. And within this round bracket, I will write the value. Here the output is Sonia, welcome to TCS. That is the output. Here Sonia is the index. Welcome to TCS is the data value. So first we write the data value here. So welcome to TCS is the data value. So after open bracket, I will write welcome to TCS. Then comma, I want to write the index. Index value it is Sonia, Surya, Agil, and Rahul. So index is equal to within square bracket, within single quotes, because here we are using string. Sonia is string, so it will represent it using single quotes. So Sonia, comma, Surya, comma, Agil, comma, Rahul. Close the square bracket and also close the round bracket. After that, print S. Is it clear, Sneha? Okay. Then we can move to the next topic. It is to create a series from dictionary. Write the heading, create a series from dictionary. From dictionary. What is dictionary? Okay. What is dictionary? Any idea? Dictionary. It's not English dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is just like tuple or list or string. Okay. It's just like tuple or it's a data type in Python. We are using a separate data type. The data type name it is dictionary. Just like list, tuple. What is tuple? Or what is list? Sneha, what is list?
Ma'am, things that is needed to be added in this series.
As how we can represent a list? We can represent a list using square bracket. Okay, this is list. L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a list, means it includes a set of values and it is enclosed within square bracket. So we call this as a list. Okay, then another one it is tuple. What is tuple? Meghna, how we can represent a tuple? Yes, round bracket. Within round bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is within if the values are within round bracket, it is known as tuple. If it is in square bracket, it is known as list. This is list. This is tuple. Okay. Is it clear, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just like that, there is another collection data type. It is dictionary. Collection data type means we are using a set of values here. Here also we are using a set of values. Just like that, dictionary is represented using D1 is equal to, here we are using curly bracket. For tuple we are using round bracket. For list we are using square bracket. In the case of dictionary we are using flower bracket. Okay, here we are using different pairs like key value pairs are used. Dictionary means it's a collection of key value pairs. Key value pairs. And all the dictionary values are mutable. What is mutable? What is mutable? Anyone?
And change the data type.
Yes, we can change. Can change. That is mutable. So, content of dictionary, we can change the content of dictionary. So, dictionary means it is represented using curly bracket, and it is a collection of key value pairs. What is key value? I explain. Here we are writing 1:A. This is the key and this is the value. Okay, then comma, another set, it is 2B. This is the key and this is the value. Then another set, it is 3:C. So this is a dictionary. Dictionary is represented using curly bracket, open curly bracket and close curly bracket is there. And within that bracket, we are using key value pairs. This is the key value first pair. This is the second pair, then this is the third pair. This is dictionary. Is it clear, Hannah? Okay. Anjo, Anthony, Muhammad, Sana, switch on the video. Okay, so this is dictionary. Dictionary means it is represented using flower bracket. All of you switch on the video. Using flower bracket, and it's a collection of key value pairs. The first one is the key and second one is the value. So this key is almost same as that of index values in list or tuple. Okay, what is index value? If A, B, C, D is there, what is the index value of A? Anthony?
1.
No, it is 0. Index values are starting from 0. Okay, no problem. Index value of A, it is 0. Index values are starting from 0. So the value of A, it is 0. B, it is 1. C, it is 2. D, it is 3. So just like that, the index value of A, it is 1. Here we are using key value as index. Okay. In dictionary, we are using key as index. So the index of A, it is 1. Index of B, it is 2. Index of C, it is 3. Is it clear, Zana? Okay. So write a program to create a dictionary. Create a dictionary. After creating dictionary, we can learn how we can create a series from dictionary. Okay. Create a dictionary. The keys are A, B, C, D. Values are 1, 2, 3, and 4. A single statement is the, you write that single statement. For creating a dictionary, the dictionary name it is D1. Hadi, switch on the video. Ashish, Muhammad, Amal. Okay. Hadi, you write the statement. Completed, Hadi? Okay. Read the statement. D1 is equal to read the statement. I will help you. Which bracket is used? Hadi?
Curly bracket.
Okay, so write the curly bracket. Then first I want to write the first key value. Which one is the first key value?
A.
A. So it's a string value or character value. So we have to write that A within single quotes.
Single.
Okay. Then after that,
is to 1.
After that, we have to use one colon. Okay. Then write the first value. What is the first value? It is 1.
1.
Then read the next one, Hadi.
B.
B within single quotes. Then colon. Then what
Colon
is
2.
2. Correct. Then after that,
C.
C within quotes. Then
Colon
colon within quotes 3.
3.
Then next value,
D.
D
Colon
colon within quotes
4.
4. Correct, Hadi. Now it's clear, Hadi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So close the flower bracket. D1 is equal to within bracket, within curly bracket, write the first key value and corresponding value. First write the key, then write the corresponding value. So the first key, it is A, then write colon, then write the value. The first value, it is 1, so write the value. After that, write the second key, it is B, then write the second value, it is 2. After that, C, then third value, then D, then last value. What happened, Meenakshi? Is it clear? Okay. Any doubt regarding this dictionary creation? We are not creating series. We are just talking about dictionary. What is dictionary? How we can create a dictionary. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Then, next it is creation of series from dictionary. Okay. Then, how we can create a series from dictionary? That is the next topic. So this is the dictionary. We want to create a series using this dictionary. So what is the first statement, Muhammad? For creating a series, the first statement it is
Import pandas.
correct. Import pandas are speedy. Import pandas are speedy. Then I want to create a series using dictionary. Okay. We can use that same dictionary. Okay, that is A1, 2, just like that. Okay. So S1 is the series name. S1 is equal to PD dot series within round bracket, within curly bracket, write A colon 1, B colon 2, C colon 3. I'm using 3 only. So this is series creation from dictionary. Okay. So in series creation from dictionary, there is no separate argument for index and data value. In all the previous questions, we are using one section is for data value. Sorry. So one section is for data value and second section is for index value. Isn't it, Amal? Isn't it? So in normal case, we use two arguments for series creation. First is for data value. We will write like this, PD dot series within bracket 55. This is the data value. And we will write index equal to, we'll write some index value also. So two arguments are there for normal series creation. If you are not using a dictionary, we are using two arguments. That is, first is for data value and second is for index value. But here there is only one argument, there is only one dictionary is used for series creation. So in this dictionary, that key is the index value and value is the data value. Okay. In dictionary, there is no separate argument for data value and index value. Only one dictionary is used, but in this dictionary, each pair include index value and data value. So A is the index value, 1 is the data value. Okay, here B is the index value, 2 is the data value. So there is no separation for index and just like our previous series creation, first we will write index data value, comma, we will write index value like index equal to. There is no such statement used here. If we are creating a series from a dictionary, there is no index data value separation. It is in the dictionary itself. Because we are using a key value pair in dictionary. Okay. So in this key value pair, key is used as the index value and 1 is used as the data value. Sana? Sana? Okay, what is the output, Sana? For this program, what will be the output? A is the index value, 1 is the data value. How we can represent the output?
A1.
A1, correct.
B2.
B2, C3. Okay. Then, any more line is there, Sana, for output section? It is?
D type.
Yes, correct. D type. Hadi, it is D type. In our series output section, first output is this, that is index value and data value. Then the second output line, it is D type. We want to represent the type of that data. Okay, here the type, it is string values are used here. So we will write the type as object. Okay, Sana. So this is the output. So here there is no separate statement for index representation. We are just writing the dictionary inside this series creation statement. So A is the index value, Ashish, and 1 is the data value. Here B is the index value. That is key is used as index value and value is used as data value. Is it clear, Raina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the series creation using dictionary. Is it clear, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt regarding this series creation using dictionary? Anyone? So write a program. So write these statements. First you write the steps. After that, you can write program. Okay. Write the points. Using dictionary for creating a series gives us the advantage of built-in keys used as index. What is the meaning of this built-in keys used as index? Built-in keys used as index means there is no separate index value. Keys are there, built-in keys are there. Already keys are there, that keys are used as index. Okay. No need of declaring an index as a separate list. Built-in keys will be treated as the index. Is it completed? Hadi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write the question. Create a series. This is not the question. Okay. Create a series using dictionary. Keys are Monday, Tuesday. Write the short form MONTU, just like that. Okay. Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. And values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Create a series using the dictionary. Do it fast. Sana, Anthony, Hadi, Anjo, Muhammad, Raina, switch on the video. Pavitra completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do it fast. Pavitra, read the answer.
Import pandas pd
Okay.
s1 equal to pd dot cd
Mm,
round bracket, then curly bracket,
mm,
Monday,
mm,
colon 1,
mm.
comma
Okay.
Tuesday.
Okay, Monday is in single quotes. Okay, correct, Pavitra. So, is it correct, Hadi? You are the new student. That's why I am always calling you. Hadi, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first we will write the statement import pandas as PD, then write S1 is equal to PD dot series within round bracket, within curly bracket, write the first key value. First key value is Monday. Monday is a string. So we'll write that Monday within single quotes. Then colon, write 1. 1 is the first value. Then comma, write the second key. Second key it is Tuesday. So within single quotes, write Tuesday. Then colon, write 2. 2 is the second value. So just like that. Then write all the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days with their corresponding integer value. Then close the curly bracket and close the round bracket. After that, print S. Then after executing the statement, what will be the output, Anthony?
One Monday.
1 Monday. What is the key value? Key value is used as index value. Okay. What is the key value there?
Key value 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say Monday, Tuesday.
Key value it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So first column index value is represented as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday, Sunday. Then data value, it is the value that is 1, 2, 3, 4 to 7. Then what is the last step, Vidur?
Print as
Not that program, output section last line.
D type.
D type. What is the D type here?
Integer in 64.
In 64, correct, correct. Here, values are in the form of integer. We have string value, but it is in the index column. We just notice the type of value, data value. Data values are integers. So D type it is int 64. Is it clear? Okay. So